Some of us have missed a lot of living, a lot of time, right down the drain. Time we could have really felt alive. But missing out on all that living doesn't have to be a problem anymore. Now there's controlled released formula Domus Out, the only prescription medication that can actually make you get up off your keister and do something. Domus Out is chemically balanced to provide you with energy, stamina, and wild hallucinations so you can do everything you can possibly think of while you still have the time to do it. Talk to your doctor about a comprehensive plan that includes Domus Out to help you revitalize and maybe even take over the world. Until you know how Domus Out will affect you, you shouldn't drive or operate oil drilling rigs or fighter jet airplanes. Be sure you won't need to sleep for at least the next 12 weeks. Tell your doctor right away if you feel like you're in the Wizard of Oz or if your eyeballs pop out of their sockets. Don't eat certain foods like bread, water, vegetables, meat, or tangerine jello. Make sure you have an MRI scan every 30 minutes. Avoid fireworks, flames, and any kind of heat over 60 degrees or below 55. Call 911 immediately if you see Elvis. To avoid long-term medical damage, don't take Domus Out while breathing or having a pulse. So eat right, rest a little bit, but if that's not enough, ask your doctor about Domus Out. And don't miss out on another second of life.